Hello and welcome to the DonkeyLift tour. We will show you our data management tools in action. Let's start with the online data browser. Throughout the tour, we use a demo dataset on sandwich sales. Select a table from the left to view its rows on a data grid. Sorting and paging are handled on the server side. You can do full text search on all table columns at once. Filter rows by any column just by clicking on existing column values. Filters are sticky across all tables. We are looking at the entire sales data limited to 3 sandwiches. Let's drill down further to a 6-month period in 2015. Note that DonkeyLift only knows 2 kinds of filters, by item or range. Filter value options are dynamically recalculated considering already active filters. Reset them all to start over. You can get back to previous views using the browser history. Review all your active filters in one place. Bookmarking of particular views works too. The data URL lets us retrieve the same rows on any other app. Let's copy that for the next demo. Finally, we added some order data online. While changing a foreign key, the tool supports you with auto completion. Here ends our data browser demo. DonkeyLift has a regular empty Excel spreadsheet enhanced to interact with our cloud database. Let's download it and try it out. After login, Excel bootstraps information on account and databases, so it knows about our data definitions including field types. Let's load some sandwich orders. We can sort and filter locally just as on any regular sheet. Excel functions such as QuickSum work as expected. DonkeyLift only updates the table columns inside named sheets. You can customize anything else and save your workbook for later use. We have prepared this workbook with a pivot table on a separate sheet. The workbook has no preloaded data, just some formulas and the empty pivot table. We now load the sales data from 2015 using the previously copied data URL. Note that we had defined some extra columns with formulas on the order items sheet. Finally, update the pivot table to view the pre-configured sales analysis. Let's move on and update some data using Excel. We start by loading all sandwiches. Our workbook has client-side validation on all data columns according to the field type. Local changes can be undone and redone as usual. Now let's add a few new sandwiches. We can copy and paste them from a regular non-DonkeyLift workbook. We also want to update some prices. Let's do that using normal search and replace. Ordering by status column lets us have a last look at the changes that will be committed. Now we save our changes to the cloud. The log window traces all details about the operation. The third and last tool is our schema editor. Here you create new databases and define the tables. A lean and simple user interface covers all your data definitions. In this tour, we only look at the existing sandwich database structure. Check out our Betty tutorial where we use it to create a complete new database. Here's a diagram with the Donkey-Lift architecture. On top you see three green boxes representing the apps we already demonstrated. Underneath all tools is our Web API, controlling all access to the SQL databases. The Web API is well documented using the industry standard Swagger framework. You can try out any method call online. Let's retrieve all orders from Paul Newman. The result contains two orders, each one containing two sandwiches. That's all. Check out the development guide and code samples for more details. Thank you.